Welcome to watch today's Freshum. More of a reinvention than a renovation, Homeroom Studio retains the original structure of Montana Jewel while infusing the interiors with warmth and a contemporary sense of artful spaciousness. Inspired by the homeowner's collection of artifacts gathered from travels abroad, the designers developed a material and color palette that speaks to both the home's heritage and the curated pieces on display. In the living room, this translated to a leathered stone hearth with rust-colored veining that wraps around the periphery of the space. The grandness of this gesture is tempered by the subdued tones of custom-finished warm brown veneer paneling and joinery, which introduce abundant shelving and surfaces for objets d'art throughout the residence.